Hey, this is my first video like this. Let's make some juice. First, we are going to take this pineapple, beautiful from Walmart, for our juice. Then I have these peaches, which some of my kids already took some out for my juice drink. Then I have some lemons for vitamin C. Ooh. And then I realized I forgot to set a timer for the last one. So this one, we have strawberries. So in this clip, you'll see me setting out everything I need to prepare for my juice. In the next clip, you'll see me rinsing the strawberries, but I've soaked them thoroughly first and then I rinse them. All the other fruit is properly washed, scrubbed, and cut into huge chunks for my Nama juicer.